talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video. I'll put the mic a little bit closer since I'm talking very soft. Yeah, what's going on, guys? Week number 3 of Supreme's Spring Summer 2020, and we have the NorthFace drop. The NorthFace stuff usually drops pretty early, so I mean, anytime it's close, you kind of like see it on Twitter or Facebook, or not Facebook, Instagram or whatever. So we pretty much knew it was coming. In my opinion, one of the better drops recently. I actually really like it, but unfortunately the thing I wanted the most is like super expensive, and not even that it's expensive, it's just like with the thing that's most expensive. So I wanted the, is it this? Sorry, here. I wanted the fucking vest, like the one that comes with these, with this RTG jacket. I can't even talk. It's super like dope in my opinion, but this jacket is like $800 or something crazy like that, so I'm not gonna be going for it. It's just a little bit too much money for me, and yeah, I mean, it's really cool, but like I said, I wish they sold it separately or whatever. This t-shirt is like ridiculous. Like they have the screen print or whatever of the actual vest on the t-shirt, which is kind of funny. But yeah, that's not something I'm gonna be going for. 857 currently. I will be going for the fleece jacket, this face mask, the S logo hat, the backpack, and possibly maybe, I don't know, the little utility pouch or whatever. But yeah, it's pretty much all I'm going for. It is 857, like I said. I'm using 2 different computers. I have my MacBook here, and then I have obviously my desktop. So hopefully things go a lot better than last week. Oh shit, wait, actually I'm gonna blur the screen off a little bit. I gotta sign back in. So if you don't know, if you sign into your Gmail, you should automatically be let through the CAPTCHA, because I think it because of the cookies or whatever, like it remembers that you've done the CAPTCHA before. So sign into your Gmail if you're still having issues with the CAPTCHA, which actually I haven't really seen people have issues with. Is that still a thing? I don't know. A few other things I want to talk about. One, I use the webcam because it's a lot easier for me to like edit before I go to work. But I do have this, which I used to use. It's the Sony A5100 camera. It's really good. The only thing is, I'm not sure. Actually, I am sure. There's a way to use it as a webcam, but it requires like an Elgato cam link or something. I don't know if there's like another way to do it, because I kind of want to use it, but I kind of don't, because it's gonna take more work. And this is just like super easy, just boop, boop. And yeah, that's it. But I'll probably start using it again if I manage to get my subscribers up again. I know I was gone for a while, so the views aren't there yet, but there were a lot of people that supported me in my last video. They welcomed me back and stuff like that, so I appreciate that a lot. But yeah, we'll talk more about that later. We got a minute left here for the drop. Okay, I'm not sure I'm not sure if it should be in jackets or, yeah, I don't know, sweatshirts. I don't know. I think it's gonna be a jacket. I'm actually really kind of nervous. I'm not gonna get it because it's not even that I can't like get to it in time. It's that like once I click checkout, like it just kicks me back to the home screen, which happens to like a lot of people, which is, you know, not cool, because I'm not even sure how much of a problem bots are anymore. But if we're not even like able to get to the fucking checkout screen, like what are the chances that we're even gonna get anything? So okay, I'm just gonna go for yellow because it was the first one that I saw. Oh my fucking god, are you fucking serious, bro? Bro, not even 1 fucking second, dog. Not even 1 fucking... Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, no fucking way. You're lying, bro. What is this shit, bro? Are you fucking serious? Who saw that? Who the fuck saw it? Literally, that was like not even a second, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? God damn. Bro, straight up, that shit's fucking wild. Damn, not even. Where's that? Why isn't it on my cart? Oh, 2 items in cart? What the fuck is that? The gloves? Is the backpack? Nope. Bro, this backpack's pretty cool. That was literally the fastest I've ever seen it sell out. Yeah, that's insane. That is insane. I'm scared to go back to my checkout, my cart, because I only had that one item in it, and I'm scared I didn't get it. That might have been. Bro, what do I have in my fucking cart right now? I literally don't know what I have in my cart. So that's the backpack. Nope, it says unable to fucking. Okay, so I got the charge for something. I don't know what the fuck it was. No, come on. So I'm on my MacBook now. Fuck you, bitch. Come on, let me buy this fucking. Let me buy this shit at least, bro. Damn, that shit was insane. Who fucking saw that? That shit was like literally not even fucking a second. I might have gotten another one. I might have gotten the backpack. Let me check. Alright, so yeah, I got the backpack, which is, I don't know why it showed up out of stock, because I don't think it was out of stock. Yeah, that's gone. Let me check my email. So yeah, I have 2 orders. I did get the face mask, and I did get the backpack. Obviously, I didn't get this fucking jacket, because what the fuck is this? Seriously? Oh, it looks like, no? Restocks? No? Nothing. Yeah, that shit's gone. Okay, what else is there? Damn, I don't think I got the hat, and honestly at this point I don't think I'm gonna go for it anymore. Well, actually, I'll put it in my cart, and then if for some odd, crazy reason this, so I got, which color backpack did I think I got the black. Okay, I wanted the black because that thing's removable and it's actually pretty cool. BP Simmons belt, yeah. Okay, I don't think I'm getting this. I don't think I'm gonna catch a restock. So yeah, I was able to purchase the backpack and the face mask. I have those 2 confirmation emails. I'm not gonna go back to my checkout screen, but I do have those emails. I don't know if I could put it on the screen here, but yeah. Yeah, I guess the rest not important. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna show my order number, but probably you can't see it. But anyways, yeah, I got 2 confirmation emails. One for the fucking face mask and one for the backpack. Damn, this was gone in like not even a second, I felt like. But yeah, that's how NorthFace drops usually go. I think that's it for the checkout video. I'm glad I was able to purchase 2 things. It's not exactly what I wanted, but what you gonna do? I'm gonna stay here, chill and see if I could, catch a restock or something. But other than that, that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will be like making better quality once I figure out what I'm gonna do with my camera. Like I said, the webcam is just more for convenience. It's a lot easier for me to record, but I do want to make higher quality videos. So maybe just stick around, help me get a few more subscribers, and then hopefully, I don't know if I'm able to do it, but if I get 5,000, that's probably when I'm gonna start using my new camera. But yeah, like I said, appreciate you, every single one of you guys. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Let me know what you guys bought on the drop, if you were able to get anything. But yeah, like I said, that's it for the video, and I will see you guys next week for week 4. Peace.